This is the Vivo V15 Pro, Vivo's latest phone with a pop-up selfie camera that has just been launched in India. Up front, we have the box boasting that the phone comes with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. It also makes a pop-up selfie camera and in-display fingerprint scanner noticeable on the front of the packaging itself. On the back, you have some basic specifications mentioned, but we'll get to those in a bit. Let's go straight to unboxing this. The first thing you get is the device itself. It's neatly wrapped in plastic, which we will slide right off. We'll get back to the phone in a bit. For now, we'll further explore the box while the phone is on its first boot. There's a quick start guide, warranty and SIM eject tool neatly cradled in a bumper case for the phone with a hard plastic transparent back. Digging deeper, we find the bundle charger that supports dual engine fast charging and a data cable that's micro USB. Finally, Vivo has bundled a pair of earphones in the box as well. So this is everything that comes in the box when you buy a Vivo V15 Pro. Now let's get back to the phone. The biggest highlight of the phone is its 32-megapixel pop-up front camera. It comes with beautification features, and the company also claims that it features an array of portrait lighting effects while you shoot. The pop-up camera enables the phone to have an unrestricted 6.39-inch display without any notches or hole punches on screen. The display aspect ratio stands at 19.5:9 and is a Super AMOLED screen. As the box denoted, there's an in-display fingerprint scanner that Vivo claims is faster and more secure than before. On the rear, it has a triple camera setup that comprises of a 12-megapixel camera which boasts a 48-megapixel quad-pixel sensor, an 8-megapixel AI super wide-angle camera, and a 5-megapixel depth camera. The Vivo V15 Pro is powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 SoC. It has just one variant in India with 6GB of RAM and 128GB storage. The phone runs Funtouch OS 9 that's based on Android 9 Pie, and all this is powered by a 3700 mAh battery. What do you think about the new Vivo V15 Pro? Let us know in the comments below. And for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.